What are you doing? What the? No, 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 no. Hello, asshole in RAV4. Yeah, I was cut off.
0.77%, and there are 641 COVID patients in hospitals across the country. 641.
That was a cutoff.
WBZ's traffic on the 3.
Thank you, Rob.
That was a cutoff.
Traffic is brought to you by
It's a camera. Off my butt. Thank you. Yeah, that was way too close. Thank you. Okay, that was a cutoff. Stop sign, Camroid. You don't stop, why don't you? Stop. It's red. Stop. Stop. Jeez, you know. Just block the crosswalk. And you can get off my butt, lady. Thank you. Nope. Red light applies to you too, dude. It's red. You still have to stop, kid. Dude, whatever. And bus blows the stop sign. Nope. Nope. Well, whatever. Yeah, hello. Dingleberry. Hello, there's lines there for a reason. Why do I feel this guy behind me is not going to stop? Because he didn't. One pass fail coming up. Two pass fails. Get off my ass. One LMK 56. Let me go, you shit stain. One ZYS 99. Stop and go, stop and go, stop and go. Stop sign! I knew you were gonna stop because Audi. Stop sign! Stop sign! Stop sign! Stop sign! Hey, speed up so we can't merge. Toyo turd! Uh-huh. Yeah! Right back where you were, douchebag.
1,500 cases, nearly 100,000 tests, 34 deaths.
And exit dive. Toyo turd. What the hell are you doing? What the hell are you doing? Oh, crikey. Oh, you lummox. Oh, stop. Camera. Looks straight from the turn lane. Toyo Turd Deluxe. Lexus behind me is gonna roll the stop. I know it. Come on, dude. Come on. I know you wanna. No, you didn't. What do you know? But the Highlander did, and the Honda did, and the Chevy. It was a Chevy. I don't know. Whatever that thing was did, and okay. That thing did, and that thing did.